with Kitty and Lou.
One more and it's a record. Four. I'm the greatest! Interesting.
Kitty!
Lou!
Where are you?
Up here!
Kitty, what are you doing?
I'm stuck.
Uh-oh, you're stuck.
Yes, I am.
Oh dear, would you like to be unstuck? Don't worry, Kitty, I'm thinking.
Okay. Thanks, Lou.
Oh, I knows.
Oh. What if I'm stuck here forever? Oh, I'm never going to eat Yum Yum Baronis again. Or play with my friends. Or snuggle with Lou. Oh my gosh, Shinkles.
Hi, Kitty. Hi, Kitty. Hi, Kitty.
Kitty, look, I found some birds.
Okay, thanks.
Ready?
What? Ow! Ow! Oh! Ouch! Stop!
Oh dear, we need bigger birds. Bigger bird. Oh,
Stop! Please don't jump on me, guys.
We have to get you unstuck.
But I don't want to get unstuck.
Why not?
Because I'll fall. No wings.
Oh, you're right. You'll have to stay here. We can stay with you. Build a nest. Oh, good idea. Come on, guys. We're gonna live with Kitty. Yay!
G'day.
sorry, haven't got time to talk, sorry.
What's wrong?
Oh, dear. All right, just quickly. It's Kitty. She's in a super sticky situation.
Oh,
I have to get that really big bird. Do you know that really big bird?
wait right here.
Come on, Kitty. Don't get all sad and feeling sorry for yourself. That won't help. Think positive. I'll be free again someday to run and laugh and play. I'll be free again someday. Somehow I'll find a way.
Are you sure?
I'll get out of this mess that I'm in.
You probably won't.
I'll get up and start again.
Seems unlikely.
I'll be free again someday.
Stay with us, stay with us, stay with us.
I'll get out of this fix. Yes, I will.
No, you won't. Would you mind just keeping still?
Dinosaurs must be free.
Except when they're stuck in a tree.
Oh, hi guys.
Better! Bigger bird.
Much bigger.
Ready, Kitty?
Ready. Yeah!